Trust your inner guidance. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. This video is all about trusting your inner guidance, and we probably need to trust it more than ever before, at least for most of us. So what is trusting your inner guidance? Well, here's the thing. We're all born with an inner guidance, and some of us call it intuition, and that's the systems that we have inside of us that are keeping us safe and secure and telling us whether to avoid a dark alley or avoid going to somebody's house or an event or something like that. And we make a choice based on that intuition. And many times we don't realize those intuitions are there for us to take action. And we don't take action on it. And so, things in my life where, I receive intuitive nudges and I didn't move on it, then I look back and I think, well, why didn't I? Well, it was because I wasn't listening to that inner guidance. I was thinking, I know better, or I'm fearing I'm fearing something bad happening. But honestly, the inner guidance that we have is there to keep us safe, secure, prosperous, and growing all of the time. And we have to listen to it. Sometimes I listen to my inner guidance and I go and, write a book or co-author a book or something. And that turned out to be really well. Other times I didn't listen to my inner guidance and bad things happen, and accidents happen. And I've had some accidents in my life where I had no control over it. When I was 7, I was in a car accident and I was in a coma for 3 days. Obviously I didn't listen to my inner guidance there. I wasn't even wearing a seatbelt, which wasn't a great idea because it was quite a severe head-on collision and 3 people died. And so, but I will say that as a result of that accident, I've become a better person. And, even though I didn't have any control over it, now I am more in tune with my intuition. I'm listening to that inner guidance. And today, if you listen to your inner guidance, it's going to tell you some things that you might not like. And it, might tell you not to go to the fridge when you're feeling emotional and, emotional eating. And maybe you're going to think twice about that because it may not pay off. But the whole thing is, if you're listening to your inner guidance, it's going to take you exactly where you need to go, how you need to do it, and you just need to listen. And when you get those nudges, and they are little nudges, you have to act, or you have to listen to it, or write it down, or do something. But if you don't, then basically you're disregarding that inner guidance, which is there to support you and keep you alive and strong and healthy, and saying it's wrong. And sometimes it's scary, right? But even one time I listened to my inner guidance, and it was about going to Los Angeles to see my mentor, Bob Proctor. And I was thinking about, how am I going to pay for this? And this is years ago. And I listened to my inner guidance. I remember that I was contacted by a credit card company trying to give me some air miles. And I said no, because I always say no to these things. But then I called them back and I realized they were trying to give me air miles that were going to help me to make it to LA and back. And they did. I took them and I ended up going to LA and back on air miles. So anyway, the message today is your inner guidance is there to keep you safe, alive, strong, growing, prospering, and you just need to listen to it. And when you do, you'll realize you'll be on the path of least resistance, taking the heart path, and enjoying your life. So if this video is helpful, let me know. Comment below. Jump on my YouTube channel. There's lots more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.